What's going on, guys? This here is a 2018 Hyundai Tucson. 2018. I'm gonna show you guys how to take off this trim panel, this door handle, and the mirror. All right? Enough said. Let's get to work. First thing you're gonna need is a flathead screwdriver, small one. You're gonna take out this pin. You're gonna move that clip from there, and then the screwdriver, a screw down there. That is a Phillips screwdriver down there. And you're gonna take that piece out of there. There's no piece. First, you move that piece out of the way, and then you take the screw out of there. All right? You're going to put the screwdriver inside there and pull it towards you. Then you hold it, pull it out. Alright? And you take that piece off. Take this piece off. That comes out. Take this off. Then you take that piece off there. And then you go ahead and undo the wires, okay? Unplug the wires. All right, you do that. That's how you take off the trim panel. Now, let's take off the mirror. Y'all see those three number 10s? Go ahead and move them from there. Before you do that, move the safety from there first. That clear thing, that is a Phillips with the clear plastic. Move that from there first. Move that piece out of the way first. Unplug it. Then go ahead and take the screws out. Before you take the last screw out, you want to hold it. You want to slide it out. See that, guys? That process is very easy. A very easy process. That one, okay? Now, to take out the handle, y'all see that piece right there? Move that piece from there. That is a Phillips or a number 10 socket. I'm going to stick with the 10 socket. Unscrew it. It's unscrewed. Now use a flathead screwdriver and push it in the crease. Take it out. Sometimes when it does that, go ahead and hit it again. Comes right out. Then you hold this handle and pull it towards you. Like that. Bam, comes right out. Take these pieces out. Remember to take out these pieces because you don't want to lose these pieces. They are very important. It stops the dust and the air from getting in your car door, the wind noise. All right, guys, that's how you do that. Hope you guys have a wonderful Friday. Enjoy your weekend. Be safe. Go have a drink or two, because I'm going to have me a drink or two. All right? boy working when checking out. Rah!